you even see me? No, I have to scoot way back here. Are you even going to be able to hear me? I don't know. It is Thursday, June 25th. Yes, Thursday, June 25th, 2020. And as you saw in that first clip, it was rainy. And it has been rainy pretty much all morning. It is finally starting to look pretty outside, and it is already 3:30. So we didn't go down to the beach today. The good news is tomorrow is looking absolutely beautiful, so I'm excited for that. But instead of going down to the beach, we are all getting ready early, and we should be ready to leave by 4. And then we are headed to a bookstore. We always go to the bookstore every single year when we're down here. It's called Books A Million. I'm pretty sure they have them all over. But I'm always so excited because I get to pick out all my new books for like the next year. I wanted to share my current reads. Gosh, that guy yelled, that scared me. This is what I'm currently reading, the Magnolia Story. I'm almost done with it. I just started it at the beginning of this trip. But it's actually really good, and it's really funny. And if you watch the show, then you know that Chip is absolutely hilarious. And I was reading some of it to Aaron, and he was cracking up too. And then I just got this book. It's called A Higher Calling. These are two YouTubers. Their channel is called The Earls Family Vlogs. And I watch them. I've been watching them for about a year. And I'm excited to read this. I haven't started it, but I should finish the other one tonight, and then I'll get going on this. And then the last book I brought with me is Nicholas Sparks' At First Sight. I haven't read this one. I think I started it, and then I just never finished it. I think I read the first chapter. So I always bring too many books, and I don't end up reading all of them, but that's okay. I'm excited to finish the Magnolia Story and move on to that next one. But all that to say, if you have any book recommendations, leave them down below so I can check them out, because I'm always interested to find the next great read. So yeah, we're getting ready to leave here. We're gonna go to the bookstore first. It's like in a mall, so we'll probably do some other shopping there, and then we are going to go to this Mexican restaurant that we go to every year. They have great food and great chips and salsa. I mean, isn't that the reason why everybody goes to a Mexican restaurant, is to eat the chips and salsa? I think so. So I'm excited about the rest of the evening, and maybe tonight we'll walk on the beach a little bit, because we haven't done that yet, and it's gorgeous out now, and it shouldn't rain again while we're here. So yeah. Here's a little glimpse of our view before we head out. It's so pretty now that the rain let up. This is my favorite view in the whole world. Holden Beach, North Carolina. I know there are lots of great beaches, but this beach is just the absolute best. Gorgeous, private, family-oriented. If you don't have a beach destination that you go to every year, you should definitely check out Holden Beach. This has been a miserable car ride. He's been grumpy. So we are getting ready to head into Books A Million. And I know there's like a little froyo shop in here. So we're gonna try to get him some froyo to hopefully put him in a better mood. They can't see me at all.
I don't know how to change that.
Like a darker?
That's better.
What if it was closed?
I would just laugh.
The Promised Land.
Promised Land?
Yeah,
anywhere.
I'm referring to the Yogurt Mountain sign.
Oh.
Grayson, you want to get yogurts? No? Ice cream? Do you want ice cream? Yes? You want ice cream? Let's go. Oh. Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay, let's get in your stroller. We'll get you some ice cream. All right, here. Gonna be a good boy in here.
Strapped into another thing.
At least this thing moves.
Okay, let's go. Let's go get some yogurt, y'all.
Sure.
Try this one, but I'm sure it's good. Homemade vanilla. Let's get some of the cake batter. Cake batter and then some chocolate.
There's some room for the toppings. That's the best part.
Is that all we want?
Yeah, I don't think we need a lot. There's more on the other side too.
Look at all these toppings. There's more on the other side too? Look at the masterpiece. No, just look at it. It's very nice. Do you want to eat some ice cream, Bubby? Yeah, you want some? Nummy? All right, here we go. You want more? Chocolate with graham cracker sprinkles, cake batter with chocolate chips, and vanilla with Reese cups.
Well, I put chocolate chips in.
He's like so unsure. You want to sit in the chair? Okay.
Mama will be closing it.
Are you done eating? Okay, I have to wipe you off. Hand.
Boom, the baby. Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. That's what I said. Boom, baby. I was like, what is he? Boom, baby.
Boom.
You're so cute and I just want to eat you. Oh. All right, we just finished in Books A Million. We were literally in there for a million years. But
Wow, that's terrible.
But here's all the books that we got. Let's see, we got one of these I can't show because it's for a friend. But I got the To All the Boys I Loved Before series. It was buy two, get one free. So, praise God. Can't show that one. And I got this, the Weekly Prayer Project. It's a devotional. And then got this one. Oops, don't look at that. How to Raise a Mom. We have the How to Babysit a Grandma and How to Babysit a Grandpa, and they're so stinking cute. So, got that. And then I got this cookbook, the Magnolia Table. I have the other one, but I feel like I'm gonna like this one better. I think it's just like laid out a little bit better than the first one. So I got that. Aaron got this book, League of Legends. This is a video game that he plays online. And then I got two Nicholas Sparks books, The Choice and Safe Haven. And then the last thing I got was, whoa, my bag almost flew away. Skinny Taste One and Done for your Instapot, slow cooker, air fryer, sheet pan, Dutch oven, and more. I heard this was a really good one too. So now we are getting ready to head to the Mexican restaurant and pray that Grayson doesn't whine the whole time because I'm hungry and I'm cranky. Shoot, I need to put my glasses on.
Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug.
Cuddle, he's saying.
I know.
Oh, cuddle. Little cuddle.
Night night. Lay down. Lay down for night night.
I'm so tired. This thing's very bright.
Yeah, but we have to still play games. I like to fall asleep right here with them bouncing on the bed. So tired. Well, another adventurous day. First, like, kind of challenging day with him.
Yeah. I mean, the ride there was rough. He only wanted to listen to Baby Shark the entire time, over and over.
Yeah.
And then the restaurant, he didn't really want to eat. He ate at the beginning and he ate the food we brought. But then it was like 20 more minutes before we got our food. So he was pretty good on the way back.
Pretty good because I had to try and entertain him the whole time.
But alright, we're gonna put him to bed and then we're gonna play some games with the family. He's saying cuddle. But we hope you guys enjoyed and we will see you next time.
See ya.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.